can't believe it. I have snuck into Shmee's car park. What's up guys, welcome to Supercars of London, and this video is many firsts for 2016. Number one, this is the first time that I've not only seen but heard Mr. Seb Delaney's Lotus Elise with the Larini exhaust system. So I'm very excited about being a passenger today in that car. But not only that, this is going to be the first time that I'm going to be going down to Goodwood for the Peter Saywell Charity Supercar Track Day, which is going to be insane. And to make things better, we're going to be joining up with over 45 other supercars to join a convoy from Southern Sky Motors, my second home. What could be better? This is going to be an epic video. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's jump in the car and have a bit of a chat about your exhaust, whether it's too loud whilst you're driving, because it's going to be an exciting day nonetheless. It's 6 AM, so we're sort of running off caffeine. Exactly. Let's go. We're in the car!
We are!
And this... It sounds so cool. And I don't think the camera's really going to pick up just how rich the sound is, because it's so loud. But it's actually really cramped in here as well.
Yeah. It's quite cozy, hey Paul! No, it is fun, this car. I want to get you some pops.
Yeah. We are now en route to Southern Sky Motors, meeting up with Sam along the way.
Is that it? Is that all?
Good crack. Oh!
Here we go. Here's the R8. Silver R8, who does that?
Very nice.
Poor taste, poor taste.
There's not too much space in the Lotus.
It's well designed though.
But there is a table for me to have my breakfast on. Bacon and sausage and a Rio. Not the best breakfast, but Rio, they're hard to find. They are super rare here in the UK.
I don't like them.
We don't like soft drinks in general, so
yeah.
It's just a invalid comment.
Yeah.
Rio is the best soft drink ever. We have arrived. Oh my god, these cars are ridiculous. Loads of Ferraris. There's the Aventador SV.
In here, right?
So we have made it down to Southern Sky. All of this is getting built up behind me. The new showroom is taking place. Now, let me just spin the camera around and show you some insane supercars that have arrived here at Southern Sky for the morning convoy down to Goodwood for the Peter Saywell Charity Day. What I am seeing in front of me, I was not expecting this turnout, and I'm so glad that I've come, because this is going to be one fun drive, and if we come across the tunnel, I don't know what's going to happen. Yeah. Pilot.
I've got to follow that guy. There's a P1 there.
Yeah. cannot believe the turnout here.
It's insane.
It is ridiculous. I'm so glad that we came to Southern Sky Motors. 918 P1, tons of Lambos, tons of Ferraris, tons of McLarens.
It really
Ferrari F40.
Wow. Seb, do you copy?
Oh, who's that?
Sam's STG. Hello, we hear you.
That sounded like a police siren. We have made it, and the cars look epic.
There's some cool cars. There's a lot of cars.
Yeah. I think we're kind of like lost.
I think we are. Did we get lost?
I don't think we came the quickest route, that's for sure.
No, I don't think so.
Oh no, these left before us.
Yeah, they did. Oh really? Yeah. Oh, Paul, there's a full car.
I'm fully aware of the call. Whoa, we have made it to Goodwood, to the Goodwood Motor Circuit, and there's a baby blue SV driving around with a Ford GT40, so I'm going to do my best to try and film them. All of the cars are back there. This is pretty insane. So yeah, I'm just going to flick the camera around.
Surely that's what 6 months, isn't it? I'm not going to leave me in the camera machine. I lost it.
Great. Thank you very much.
I don't know, but that.
I like the lovely. That's my favourite.
Yeah, no, I don't know. So is it like Goodwood? Is there a That's why I didn't buy one.
Well, Goodwood has been insane. Seb, what do you think of Goodwood?
It's been incredible, insane.
I'm walking backwards. Yeah.
A lot of people. I didn't think there'd be this many people.
Tons of people, but beautiful weather. So
Yeah.
we are now going to jump back in the Lotus and head home. Oh my god! Yeah, literally, there's just cars everywhere. The 12C's leaving here. So a
tiny in there.
proper wicked supercar day. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video.
That's my bad, sorry. No, you can end it now.
And I will see you very soon. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.